Good morning, friends. One of the last things we got to do on the trailer overhaul is repair the tongue. It was quite heavily damaged. I don't know if you can see this, but it was kinked and bent right there, so that's collapsed. It was collapsed on this side as well. So what we decided to do is cut it off and put a new extensions on. Not going to get too much into detail on how we did this, because this is how I do it. How you do it, or how you would do it or wouldn't do it, would be entirely up to you. So I'm not going to go out and say I'm an engineer. I have done repairs like this in the past. I have had repairs like this engineered for lifting devices. So I guess you kind of apply the same thing. You should get the same results. But again, I'm not advocating that you do this. I'm not advocating that you know what you're doing. Jake and I are both accredited certified welders, so we know what we're doing when welding comes. So this is how we're going to fix it. I will tell you, it's inside sleeve to back up the weld, and it will be fish plated on the outside. So there you go. I'll take some more video as we go along, but this is the start of it. I cut all this off with a zip cut wheel, and there was a big box frame inside there. I had a hell of a time getting it out. That's it right there. I got that out. So that's where we are today. But like I said, it's going to be limited what I share on this, because we're not advocating how to do anything or how you should do it, if you should attempt it at all. So we'll get back to you soon.
Okay.
That one's done?
Yeah. It's not perfect, but...
Okay, I got the extensions on it we're replacing. So here's what we're doing. We're fish plating them, and they've been sleeved. So that's the way we're doing it. And we'll move on to the next one. This joint here has been welded. All that's done, and we'll put more fish plates on. So that just gives you an idea of what we're doing.
We'll just hit her with the Blendex at the end and clean up some of the burbles, and we're good.
There you go. There you go. So, not telling you how to do it, telling you how we're doing it. And we'll get back to you. Jesus, Andrew Camarata be happy to see this.
What, the welding?
Yeah.
It's some hiccups in there.
Yeah, good old Andrew.
Yeah. Okay, we gotta do the next side.
Yep. So, yeah, going along well. Fish plate on the outside of both sides. Very good.
Is there any wind?
No, I'll guide the wind. So we're ready to put the coupler on.
Just gotta start tacking it first.
Need ground.
On the coupler itself.
Sure. Right up in the throat.
Yeah.
Yep, that'll go.
Okay. The other thing is, where's those vice grips?
Right behind you. Oh, the needle nose are right here.
Just gonna wipe all this off, give myself the best chance I can at a good clean weld.
Is there any flare out down there?
Yep.
A lot?
Tack it at the top, tack it at the top, then we're gonna put a clamp across and
Okay.
pull it in. Never weld that. So I got into trouble on the last one.
Okay, so get the 2 tacks done, and then we'll flare. We'll take care of that flare out. So what's going on is the underside along here is flaring out, so we're going to move the clamp from there down to there. We're putting the inside gussets on. We got the A-frame welded on, the A-frame coupler. Jack's in place. So we got three more pieces to weld on. It's all done.
Fire. Fuck. Fuck.
Jeez, we got everything going on. Got a Hobart jacket, Miller. We got a Hobart jacket going on. We got a Miller shield with a Lincoln welder. Yeah, there you go. There's brand recognition.
Okay, we need, can we turn down that voltage a little bit? Down to like 18, whatever we were before.
Yeah, I'll get it.
It's on. I don't want to burn. Roll it out on the overhead.
There you go, 18. Good?
Yeah.
Perfect. Well, that's it. Here's the finished product. That's the look at the repair. So that gives you an idea. All that's left to do now is do a little bit of knock some spatter off maybe, and throw some black paint on her, hook the wiring back, bolt the battery, the junction box back up to the trailer. So yeah, that's her. So this is what you got here. That's the welding there. Okay. This is what came off. So I just want you guys to see. Okay? This is the shit that's rolling down the highway. And you know me, I'm not one for using language, but this is shit. This is the shit that's rolling down the highway with your family driving in a car next to it while this clown who owns this, you know, just doing 130 kilometers an hour, which is 75, 80 in America. And this is the kind of janky crap ass shit that you see. So there you go. So this is all going in the scrapola. And yeah, that'll be it for you. So there you go. Thanks for watching this one. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and do all that other jazz. Cheers for now.